It's not the same. So the OPPO A57 16 error fix 206 tutorial is very easy. The error I'm discussing is the line you will see in this video. The line is actually on the side, in the middle, where will stop you from booting up the phone. As you can see that line right there. You see that line? This is the line I'm talking about. It will stop you from booting the phone. So you see on this side right here is the Miracle Box 2.82 crack. This is a professional version that I'm personally using. I got two of it, but this is one I'm using. So we're gonna be using these tools to flush this phone on the right. So the OPPO will not turn off, as you can see right here, will not turn off. So I'm just gonna pause this video. And what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go to the setting because this is the A57. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the setting of it. So we're going to the Qualcomm mode right here. Make sure the port is selected. Further in the video, you'll see it there. Just make sure you connect with the port and take the pump. From there, you select the OPPO right here. Select OPPO. So when you select OPPO, you select the name of the device, which is the A57. You select the name of the device. There are a lot of devices here. Select this one. For the first method, which is to factory reset this phone, you're gonna go right here to re-informat flash right here, like that. And then you're gonna go to factory reset right here. Select this. The first one gonna be on safe mode right here. So where you're going to put it on the safe mode in the first step. So look at what you do. So if you're in the middle, like I try to turn it up, couldn't get up. Yeah, I try to plug the cable in it, I'll put in the boot. So here, what I was doing here was I was trying to pull into the boot mode on the rescue mode, which is you off the phone and then you press follow up and volume down, you hold it together and then you want to plug the cable into the phone. So when you do that, you will see this like here. About it. Okay, right here. You'll see this port right here. Where you see port in the device manager, you see port right there. That's the port I'm talking about. If you get this port, that's how I managed to flush it right here. I select the OPPO A52, the port all connected, and then the first form I was done. First form I was done, which is the factory reset. Factory reset. So after that first form, the second step will be changing the save mode area right here to FRP metal one when you turn on. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So for this, you scroll and you'll notice you guys are using that is sweeping the data. Data is being wet. So you see. And after then I go in from a low, and then right here. Right here is the second step I'm going to show you. So you just want to scroll in from a little bit. Okay, so when I flush the phone, it turned to this. So it off now, it was normal, nothing was happening to it. But then it was not opening, as you can see. It was not opening. So you have to power up the phone again. When you power up the phone again, hold the button up the phone down button, and then you're gonna put it into the recovery mode. So as you can see here, that's what I was trying to do. I couldn't hold it because I got to keep my mouth on him. So by putting the camera off the phone, turn it around to get the power for a bit, and then I plug it in the second time. The second time, like I said, it was this mode I was using the FRP1 mode, FRP method 1, not the same mode anymore. And then we do that, you get this machine up. As you can see, this register right there. Everything is really good. For the full mark reset here is set to FRP, as you can see the FRP method. So it's here, and then you start it. It will pause it for the second time and loading the boot, so you're gonna be patient. And after then it was done, but not 100%. It will run up again and format and we work again on the second time. So the second time now, after the plugin for April, so you finish, now trying to tell you to skip. So after then, the phone will be 100% on. And the good thing about this method, the reason you're doing it two times is because you eradicate the error. So after you're done with this now, the system gonna be clean and the miracle box inject anti crush into the phone. So I'll be taking this over and the phone is smooth. So we can just play on the phone. I'm trying to go into the setting. Trying to go into the settings. So it's a little bit difficult because I cannot really personally use this phone. So into the settings, to show you about the name of this device. The name of this device is the OPPO A57. So if your device is different, you have to browse on it to see what you are doing. So thank you for watching and please subscribe to IT Moses. Thank you for watching. Bye.